This free tool is quietly making thousands per month for creators and investors. If you're not making at least $100 to $500 a day with AI, it's because you haven't seen this yet. Because while most people are chasing shiny tools, the quiet winners, they're building cash flow machines using a tool you can start using today from your laptop, even if you have zero tech skills. And the best part, the tool they're using is 100% free. No shady subscriptions, just one powerful AI platform used the right way. Coming up, I'll show you what this AI tool is, how creators are using it to generate income in 24 hours, and how you can copy their exact strategy for free. Stick around, this is one of the rare videos where watching could actually lead to earning. Make sure you're subscribed before we drop the next tool. The tool is called ChatGPT, but not how you think. Most people open it, ask silly questions, maybe write a caption or two, and leave it at that. That's why they're stuck. They're using it like a toy, but real earners, they use it like an engine. Right now, people are using ChatGPT to build digital assets that sell while they sleep, not trading time for money, not waiting months to rank on Google, just value-packed products people want, created in a few hours and launched the next day. Here's the method. They start by identifying a specific niche: dog training, resume writing, toddler learning, budgeting, something with demand. Then they use ChatGPT to create a simple product: a PDF guide, checklist, ebook, printable planner, email sequence, or even an entire Notion template. No writing from scratch, no staring at blank pages. ChatGPT handles the structure, the content, and the polish. Once the product is ready, they upload it to Gumroad, Payhip, Etsy, or their own site. These platforms do the heavy lifting: payments, downloads, customer support. They're set up in one afternoon and they work around the clock. To drive traffic, they create simple content: faceless carousels on Instagram, quick videos on TikTok, Pinterest pins, and Reddit posts. All of it created or planned with ChatGPT. The content doesn't need to go viral, it just needs to hit the right people. And here's what's real: even one sale per day can change the game. A $19 guide selling once daily is nearly $600 a month. 10 sales a day, over 5K. And since the product's already built, it doesn't take more work. It just compounds. The best part? You can start this today. You don't need experience. You just need to stop watching everyone else use AI to make money and start using it for yourself. That's the shift. And it's already working for thousands who stopped waiting and started building. Look around. The blueprint is everywhere. A creator named Jess launched a first job interview prep kit using ChatGPT to write everything: the answers, the confidence tips, the checklist. She listed it for $15 on Gumroad and sold over 300 in her first month. Another one? A finance YouTuber took ChatGPT outputs and turned them into a Notion budget planner. He didn't design anything from scratch. He fed ChatGPT his prompts, adjusted the answers, and organized the layout. That tool alone pays for his rent each month. None of these people are influencers. They're not tech geniuses. They just saw the same tool and used it with focus. What separates them isn't skill, it's clarity. So if you're watching and wondering where to start with this question: what problem can I solve with words? That's why ChatGPT is a writing engine. Leonardo AI is another free platform that lets you generate high-quality images, characters, and product designs using just text. You don't need Photoshop skills, you don't need to draw. You type what you want, fantasy warrior holding a glowing sword, and it gives you stunning, ready-to-use visuals. And here's the part no one's talking about. People are turning these images into money every single day. One digital artist used Leonardo to generate coloring book pages for kids. Clean black and white line art, uploaded to Amazon KDP. Within 60 days, she had over 400 downloads and $1,200 in passive income from one niche. Another user? He created original character art using Leonardo and bundled them as profile picture packs for indie game developers. Sold them on Gumroad for $15 each. It made him $3,400 in his first month. And the kicker? He didn't even design them himself, just prompts and edits. And a Shopify seller is using Leonardo to create print-on-demand art: posters, hoodies, journals. The art is AI generated. The store runs itself. And the marketing? Just a few Pinterest and Instagram reels. That store crossed $500 a day last month, and it started with free tools. Leonardo gives you commercial rights. That means you can legally sell what you create. You can license it. You can bundle it. You can publish it. No subscription is needed to begin, just an email and your ideas. Not everything valuable comes with a price tag. If this tool just proved it, tap like to keep the hidden gems coming. But know this, it's not magic, it's leverage. AI gives you the speed, but you still need the direction. Pick a niche. Think like a customer. Are they looking for wall art, printables, merch, game characters, business icons? Leonardo gives you the content, you give it purpose. Another AI that's quietly making people $500 a day, it's called Pictory, and it's a game changer for anyone who creates content or wants to, but doesn't want to show their face or spend hours editing videos. Pictory turns text into full videos in minutes. You paste a script, it finds relevant footage, adds captions, background music, transitions, and exports it all in HD. Think TikTok explainers, YouTube faceless channels, Instagram Reels, even video ads, all done without showing your face or touching editing software. And yes, there's a free plan. Enough to test, learn, and start publishing. Enough to start earning. One digital creator used Pictory to launch a YouTube channel on finance stories. He wrote simple scripts about millionaire habits and money psychology, pasted them into Pictory, and let it build the visuals. Posted daily. Within 6 weeks, his videos started ranking. One went semi-viral, hit 280,000 views. With YouTube monetization and affiliate links in the description, he cleared $1,800 by the end of that month. And it doesn't stop there. Online course creators use Pictory to turn lesson outlines into video modules. Affiliate marketers turn written reviews into YouTube videos to rank for product keywords. Even podcasters are using it to create short-form visual snippets for social media. So the next time you think, I don't have gear or I can't edit videos, remember Pictory exists, and it's doing the work people used to hire full teams for. The barrier isn't tech anymore, it's execution. If you have ideas, AI will give you output. If you have consistency, it'll give you leverage. And yes, this tool can help you make $500 a day, if you treat it like a business. If you're still watching and you've made it this far, here's the truth. AI isn't coming. It's already here. And the ones who win are those who use it, not just scroll past it. Every single tool I showed you is free to start. No excuses, no massive startup costs, just an opportunity waiting to be taken. There are two types of people watching this video. The first one says, that's cool, and scrolls on. The second one opens a tab, signs up for one of these tools, and starts building. You already know which one sees results. So if you're serious about creating new income with AI, I'm breaking down even more tools in future videos, the ones flying under the radar, but quietly making creators thousands. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single one. The internet moves fast. Don't get left behind.